let's make this curry powder together. We need 1.5 tablespoon of cumin seed, 2 tablespoon of coriander seed, half tablespoon of fennel seed, half teaspoon of fenugreek, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half tablespoon of basmati rice, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 4 pieces of cardamom pods, 4 pieces of cloves, small piece of cinnamon stick. On a very low flame, dry roast it until it is dark in color. Always stir continuously. Please don't burn it. Just dark in color. Cool it down. Transfer to a blender. Onto a same pot 10 pieces of dry red chilies. Dry roast it until the fragrance are out. Cool it down. Transfer to the same blender. Blend it to a fine powder. The dark curry powder is ready to serve. Make sure you store in a dry container. The yield is 7 tablespoons. With this recipe, we can make a Sri Lankan bread food. The recipe is there in my channel. Have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just